We've been loving our Pinterest shower organization hack that we've been using for years. You use a shower curtain rod and hang a basket with shower curtain hooks, and it keeps the products up high and out of the way of the water. I talked about it in this video, which has over 10,000 views, and lately I've been seeing these shower racks on Amazon and YouTube, so I want to try them out. Let's clean and dry the surface, and Scott is going to help with the installation. They seem to really have upped their game with the power of the sticky hook system to hang these racks. I've used the suction cup racks before and they never worked for us, but these are super strong and apparently renter friendly because they don't damage the shower wall. You can remove them just by using a hairdryer. Scott is making sure to get all of the air bubbles out by using the end of his level. Amazon says these racks are good for marble, steel, tiles, glass, and mirrors, but are not good on a painted wall or wallpaper or any rough surface like rustic tile or mosaic tile. We bought matte black, and they also come in gold, silver, and rose gold.
We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need.
Okay, y'all, we are all set. I am loving the shelves. They've been up for a few days. I put all of my stuff back on there. It'll be linked below if you want to buy you some. It comes in a pack of 2, and they're from Amazon. It comes with hooks. It actually came with 2 more hooks, but I just put the one right here. Let's go ahead and hang my poof right there. I am loving that the water still doesn't hit the shelves because it's up high like that. This shower head comes off. I'll try to link it down below. It's from Lowe's, but we've been loving being able to like take that off and rinse while we're in there. But yeah, that's it, guys. Everything will be linked down below for you. And if you're new, please feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you. And thank you for everyone who's been with Living Gratefully for almost 4 years now. I really appreciate every single one of you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.